Hey guys! This video is about the ARPA citation and referencing for beginners. Let's say you are in a college or in the university, and you have the assignment to write. For example, an essay, a literature review, or any other piece of writing. There have 3 steps only for you. Step 1. Find useful sources to support your ideas. Where will you go to gather the information you need to write? In this case, you will either look for some papers like journals, or you will go to the library and start digging into the books, or the most used option these days, you will go online and look into many websites. You have now gathered all the information you need and you want to use all those information into your assignment. Step 2. In-text citation. In APA format, in-text citations can follow a direct quote or paraphrased information. It have 2 formats: parenthetical and narrative. In narrative citations, the author name is incorporated into the text as part of the sentence and the year follows in parentheses. In parenthetical citations, the author name and publication date appear in parentheses. Step 3. Reference list. Remember that you have to cite every piece of information that came from another source, whether or not it is in your own words. Everything cited in the text must appear in the reference list, and everything in your reference list must be something you have referred to in text. Make sure you don't have anything in one place that isn't in the other. A references list is a formatted list of all sources you cited within your paper. The purpose of the reference list is to allow your sources to be found by your reader. It also gives credit to authors you have consulted for their ideas. Thanks for watching. See you guys.